Hello! Welcome back to OFW English Lessons. Sa video na to ay pag-aaralan natin ang 50 natural English expressions para maintindihan natin yung mga native English speakers dahil tayong mga Pinoy ay may tendency na i-translate ang mga sentences ng verbatim or word for word na minsan hindi naman ganun sa English. Kaya try to memorize these sentences. I'll read them twice and it's better if you'd repeat after me para mas madali mong matandaan. I have a sweet tooth. I have a sweet tooth. Mahilig ako sa matatamis. I'm a light sleeper. I'm a light sleeper. Mababaw akong matulog. I'm a heavy sleeper. I'm a heavy sleeper. Malalim o mahimbing akong matulog. Let's put it behind us. Let's put it behind us. Kalimutan na natin yon. I'm not sold on the idea. I'm not sold on the idea. Hindi ako kumbinsido. Let's do this again sometime. Let's do this again sometime. Gawin natin to ulit minsan. That's a tough pill to swallow. That's a tough pill to swallow. Napakahirap tanggapin nun. The week is dragging on. The week is dragging on. Ang bagal-bagal ng linggong to. You went too far in your joke. You went too far in your joke. Sumobra ka naman sa biro mo. Cheesecake is my guilty pleasure. Ang guilty pleasure ay bagay o gawain na nagpapasaya sa isang tao pero nagdudulot din ito ng guilt o masamang epekto pagkatapos. Cheesecake is my guilty pleasure. I can't wrap my head around it. I can't wrap my head around it. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan yun. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Hindi naman ganun kahirap yun. We're on the same page. We're on the same page. Pareho tayo ng pagkakaintindi. I have a green thumb. I have a green thumb. Magaling ako magtanim ng halaman. What's your take on this? What's your take on this? Anong masasabi mo dito? I'm back to square one. I'm back to square one. Balik na naman ako sa simula. Let's cut to the chase. Let's cut to the chase. Diretsuhin na natin. I need a breather. I need a breather. Kailangan kong magpahinga sandali. I got caught in traffic. I got caught in traffic. Natrapik ako. I have a deadline to meet. I have a deadline to meet. May deadline ako. I'm terrible at remembering names. I'm terrible at remembering names. Hirap na hirap akong makaalala ng mga pangalan. I can't make it. I have other plans. I can't make it. I have other plans. Hindi ako pwede, may iba akong lakad. Sorry, I'm tied up at the moment. Sorry, I'm tied up at the moment. Pasensya na, may ginagawa ako ngayon. I'm at a loss for words. I'm at a loss for words. Grabe, wala akong masabi. I'm a bit off today. I'm a bit off today. Medyo masama ang timpla ko ngayon. I'm just killing time. I'm just killing time. Nagpapalipas lang ako ng oras. I'm at my breaking point. I'm at my breaking point. Bibigay na ako or susuko na ako. You read my mind. You read my mind. Tama ka, yan nga ang nasa isip ko. It's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation. Pareho o lahat tayo makikinabang dyan. Let's agree to disagree. Sinasabi ito para matigil na ang pagtatalo dahil sa magkaiba o magkasalungat na opinyon o paniniwala. Let's agree to disagree. I'm looking forward to Friday. I'm looking forward to Friday. Gustong-gusto ko nang mag-Biyernes. I'm not a morning person. Sinasabi ito ng mga taong hirap gumising, bumangon o kumilos ng umaga. I'm not a morning person. Eto naman ang kabaligtaran ng morning person. I'm a night owl dahil sinasabi ito ng mga taong gising na gising o masiglang-masiglang gumawa ng mga aktibidad sa gabi. I'm a night owl. I have a terrible sense of direction. I have a terrible sense of direction. Mahina ako sa direksyon. I'm swamped with work. I'm swamped with work. Tambak ang trabaho ko. I'm good with numbers. I'm good with numbers. Magaling ako sa number. I'm trying to declutter my space. I'm trying to declutter my space. Nililinis ko ang pwesto ko. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out. Iniisip ko pa. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. Sang-ayon ako. That's crystal clear. That's crystal clear. Malinaw na malinaw o napakalinaw nun. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? Anong pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon? Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Tama na, pahinga na tayo. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. Dumidilim na. I don't quite get it. I don't quite get it. Hindi ko masyadong makuha. Or yung colloquial phrase na hindi ko masyadong gets. I'm taking a shortcut. I'm taking a shortcut. Magsa-shortcut ako. Let's grab a drink sometime. Let's grab a drink sometime. Inom tayo minsan. Listening to loud music helps me unwind. Listening to loud music helps me unwind. Nakaka-relax sa akin ang pakikinig ng malalakas na tugtog. Better safe than sorry. Sinasabi ito para i-suggest na mabuti nang maging mas maingat kaysa mapahamak. Better safe than sorry. I'm planning a weekend getaway. I'm planning a weekend getaway. Nagpaplano akong maggala sa weekend. Don't rain on my parade. Don't rain on my parade. Huwag kang ang kontrabida.